Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to get amazing natural looking hairline, which is baby hair, on your braided wig. Keep watching. The first thing I do is to make the wig first. Now after that I'm going to use human hair, and this is the one I'm using. I'm going to cut out the seed part. I also decided to cut it into small pieces. This one is absolutely optional. You can just leave it longer, but mine is shorter. Now, this is the first step that I'm taking in order to achieve natural hairline. And I'm going to be picking it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pick this hairline. Put your ventilating pin in a hole. Pull out one strand of hair. Pull it out like the normal ventilation that we do. Pull it out and tight. I've seen so many wigs or so many braided wigs, the baby hairs doesn't look natural. There are some factors that contribute to it, which I'm going to be listing in this video. So now when picking the baby hairs, pick one strand of hair. If the hair you are using is normal, you can pick two if the hair is very light, but when picking it, make sure that the knots are tiny. The reason why I advise making the hair or making the wig first before picking the hairline or before picking the baby hair is that it makes it look natural. That's number one, and it gives you guide on how you want your hairline or how you want your baby hair to look like. It also makes you gives you control over what you want to ventilate. So to me, I prefer making the hair first before picking the stuff. Now this is what I'm picking. I'm doing normal ventilation, and this is what I'm picking. And when I'm picking this, I'm not picking it in a straight line. I'm just picking it up and down closely. Because if you ventilate it straight line, it's not going to give you that natural hair or natural baby hair. So I'm picking the hair up and down. As you can see, this is what I've just done. This is how it looks like. Another tips is that if you want to achieve a natural looking hairline or baby edges on your wig, it's advisable you use human hair. I'm not saying that using attachment is not good or is bad, but using human hair makes the edges or makes the hairline to gel down properly. We can use edge control to gel it down and it will look natural, unlike using attachment. So this one is preferably used if you want to achieve natural looking hairline or baby hair. Use human hair to ventilate for your baby edges. Okay guys, so this is how the whole process looks like. This is how the hairline looks like, and to me I think this looks natural. If you want to install it, you see that it looks natural. This is how it looks like. I don't know what you think about this. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel to be part of this family for more amazing content. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.